thought I'd do a couple of these questions really quickly. So in our last video, we found out that if we have a regular polygon, we can figure out what the sum of the interior angles are. So here, we're supposed to be able to find this sum here. Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we have 180 times, remember it's n minus 2 gives us the total of the interior angles. So we have 180. We have 4 sides in this case, 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So we should have a total of 360 degrees, shouldn't we? And we don't. We have 75 degrees, we have 85 degrees, and we have 90 degrees. That gives us 17, 24, 25, 250, doesn't it? So we have 360 minus 250. My handwriting sucks today. Is equal to 110 degrees. That's my guess there. So you buying that? Let's make sure I did that right. 75. I am using my calculator. Plus 85 plus 90. Can't afford to be wrong. It's 250. Yes. So this angle right here should be 110 degrees. So 110 degrees. All right. Let's try one more. So we're given this. So this is, I like this question a lot because it gives me a lot of confusion, doesn't it? I know what I'm going to do here. If you can't tell, I'm not really a geometrist. I spend most of my time in calculus and trig. So this is actually really interesting stuff to me. So I'm going to take this because I know these two angles are supplemental, aren't they? So that means that I know that 180 minus 132 is 48 degrees. So this is 48 degrees, isn't it? This has to be 48 degrees. And then look, I can see that these two angles are supplemental, aren't they? They have to total to 180 degrees, don't they? Because I'm looking at this right here, right? So 180 minus 120 is 60. So that's a 60 degree angle, isn't it? So 60. And what should these things sum to? It's a triangle, right? So if I did that whole 180 times 3 minus 2 would equal 180 degrees. And how much of my 180 degrees do I have? Looks like I have 108. So I take 180 minus 108, and this should be 72 degrees. So nobody gives a crap about that because that's not what they're asking us for. They're looking for this angle. Look at that. Doesn't that suck? They're looking for this. They're looking for the question mark is here. So this gives us 108 degrees, doesn't it? So this gives us a $1.08. So the answer here is 108 degrees. Okay, you guys, I really hope this was helpful. Geometry, again, I told you, is not my very favorite math, but I recognize that it's very important to know. And I'm going back and I'm exploring it again myself to try to get myself better at this. So if you something you want to do or you have a question, if you haven't subscribed, please do. But if you have questions or you have a better way to do it, my God, please share. I beg you. Okay? Thanks.